Ladies and gentlemen.
Yo, what up, YouTube? It's your boy Rudy Ortiz, SoCal Epoxy Pools, and today we're coming at you with a very special edition here of our swimming pool restoration services. We are actually in the city of Long Beach, just about to wrap up this beach entry that we built from the ground up, and that is within a in-ground swimming pool. So I'll show you guys what it looks like.
I don't know. 9 almost, I think.
Ladies and gentlemen.